Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. So this is a question under linear programming. Let's see how we can answer this particular question. I guess you are going to enjoy this. The question is saying, a farmer wants to buy some hoes and shovel for sale at his farm. He decides to buy at least 5 hoes and not more than 15 hoes and shovels altogether. The number of hoes should not be more than twice the number of shovels. Then this is now where the main question is falling. The question is saying, taking X to represent the number of hoes. So you know that X is representing the number of what? The number of hoes. And Y, the number of shovels. So Y is the number of what? Shovels. So this is the information that is given as simple as this. Then what we are going to do for us to answer now this particular question, I remember telling you to say when we mix inequalities, so when the question is saying write 3 inequalities. So inequalities are at least, when you hear the word at least, sense an inequality there. At most, sense an inequality, less than, greater than, not more than, not less than. These are inequalities. So when we start reading this paragraph, a farmer wants to buy some hoes and shovel for a sale at his farm. This person decides to buy at least. This is an inequality here. They're telling us to say at least 5 what? 5 hoes. So at least, I know that at least 5 hoes and the hoes is X. So X at least is greater than or equal to. So I'll say greater than or equal to what? Or equal to 5. This is an inequality there. I've written the first inequality just like this. I move to the next one. The next one, and not more than what? 14 hoes and shovels altogether. Not more than. It means they are getting hoes and shovels. So not more than 14. It means that the X plus the Y should not be more than, the question says not more than. It means it is less than or equal to. Equal to what? Equal to 14. I remember telling you to say, under these inequalities, you never find an inequality like greater than or less than. Because you know that if you are to sketch these inequalities like this, these are dotted lines. And these, they get to mean imaginary. But this person is doing business. Can a business be imaginary? No. So we can't do this when the business is on the ground. You want to buy this, you want to buy that. So these are real life situations. So this is an inequality. You just need to make sure that you understand this. Then this is saying that the number of hoes, the number of what? Hoes. So the number of hoes is X. So the number of hoes X should not be more than. The number of hoes X, hoes is X. Should not be more than. Should not be more than. It means that they should be less than or equal to. Twice, the word twice means 2. Twice is 2, the number of shovels. The number of shovels, which is what? Which is Y. So these are the 3 inequalities that we are supposed to come up with. I guess you've seen how I've come up with these inequalities. This is how you are supposed to handle them. This is how you are supposed to answer these questions. So don't forget, this is a public video. Those of you that are interested in starting lessons with me, you can contact me on this number. So this is my number. Drop a text. I help you get a distinction So this is my number. I do tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, physics, as well as biology. So this is my number if you want tuitions. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share it. Thank you.